Aw man, I should not have hanged out with my boyfriend tonight, because things got really awful with his parents. They have most likely called my parents for being around him. I gotta get home before my parents get home from their business trip. I need to make up a story to defend myself. Maybe I can tell them his parents just hate me and want me out of the neighborhood, and they tried making up a story about me depending on what they said in the call. I don't know, but I have to make sure they don't know any of this.
My God, I'm sick and tired of that girl hanging out with that boy. If I could, I'd literally kill that boy. He's such a bad influence on her, and is literally trying to turn our daughter into a monster. I wish death on that little devil.
I'm gonna be very honest with you. I wish the same thing. That boy might have spawned from hell for all I know. I think it's best if we move away from them so she won't have access to him. We need to completely cut him off from our family. Keep that hellspawn devil away from our daughter.
Kate is probably heading home now, or maybe she's gonna try to stay with one of her friends to avoid punishment.
My God, I'm gonna freaking kill her when she gets home.
Maybe she's gonna try to stay with one of her friends to avoid punishment.
Not on our watches.
Call all her friends. She is not getting away with this.
I sure will. I know all of her friends and their parents. She's not gonna get out of this.
I am just gonna watch TV now. I'm so mad right now.
Any more food and cake right now, as all the snacks are running low and we want everyone to have the chance to have something to eat, especially my homemade death cookies. We also ask everyone to not trash up the house, as we are sick of having to clean up your mess. If you break something, you pay for it. If you make a mess somewhere, clean it up. That's all my announcements.
Honey, check this out, a shelter-in-place warning is being issued.
What the heck?
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Residents for the state of Raleigh, North Carolina, lock all your doors immediately.
What the heck?
An extremely dangerous creature was last seen roaming around the area. It shows no mercy to any human being, and will literally annihilate the human in quickly as 5 seconds or less. The creature will also consume the remains of the human. This creature was also seen starting house fires in neighborhoods. Due to the extreme danger of this creature, residents for the city of Raleigh should shelter in place immediately. It is recommended to hide in a basement, as this creature will most likely set your house on fire for the sake of killing you, as well as causing destruction. Do not wait to see or hear the creature. This creature can run extremely fast, and outrunning it is close to impossible. Do not wait, shelter in place immediately. Remain calm and await further information.
Oh no, this is not good.
Wait, Kate might be still out there.
You know what, this is her own fault. We told her to stay at the house until we got home, but she didn't listen. If she gets hurt, hopefully lesson learned.
You know what? Sometimes I wish I never had children, so maybe this is an opportunity. Sweet.
Come on, let's just hide in the basement and pray for the best for her.
Alright, let's go.
Stay safe and tell me if anything else weird happens.
Where the heck am I? Did I take a wrong turn? Shouldn't my house be right here? Okay, this is getting creepy now. I almost wish my parents were here because I'm really getting scared out here. No, definitely not them. They'll literally punish the crap out of me for even being around my boy. I need to get back to my boyfriend's house. Maybe his parents are asleep. I mean, at this point, what could they possibly be doing? Hopefully not watching a movie or something. Being out here all by myself is actually very creepy. Wait, what was that noise? Okay, I'm really getting scared now. There's something out here. I gotta hide. I'm pretty sure that sound is something like an alien. I don't wanna die. Oh, a shed. Maybe I could hide there. I'm very scared right now. I wish I never done this.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The creature that was first noticed at around 9:40 p.m. has been identified to be an alien-like creature, which civil authorities are calling flesh hunters.
Wait, a creature? Was that what I heard?
They sound like an alien, so they shouldn't be too hard to hear.
Yes, it was.
These flesh hunters are now all over the state of North Carolina, and are beginning to spread into other U.S. states. Shelter in place in a basement immediately. They can completely annihilate houses, to the point where it looks like nothing was even there.
Oh my god, Mom, Dad.
Do not wait. Shelter in place in a basement immediately. Do not go outside, at all.
No. No, 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 oh God, oh Heavenly Father, please don't let me die. I wish I never snuck out of my parents' house. I'll never do it again. Oh God, no, I gotta hide. Oh God, no, I gotta hide.
This is a national emergency. Please pay attention and follow instructions. Do not turn off your television or radio at this time. It is important that you pay close attention, as it pertains to a dangerous situation that is ongoing. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. All regular scheduled programming across the United States has been discontinued during this emergency and will not continue until the situation is fully taken care of. Please remain calm and await further information and instructions. The President of the United States is currently being taken to an undisclosed location, but will eventually make a message to the American people once he is able to. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency in the United States government. At this time, your life is in extreme danger. These creatures, known as flesh hunters, have spread across the entire United States and are continuing to spread in all 4 directions. These creatures show absolutely no mercy to any living being and will completely annihilate anything and anyone in their sight. They run super fast and are almost impossible to outcome. These flesh hunters are extremely dangerous and should not, for any reason, be approached. They are extremely deadly to all life. In addition, the military has gotten approval to launch about 5 nuclear missiles across the country in order to prevent these flesh hunters from spreading any further. Sadly, there are no other plans to end this crisis. Missiles are the only option we have left. If this fails, the world might be at risk of possible human extinction. These flesh hunters can't be stopped by just humans, but something bigger and more destructive. Please remain calm. This will happen in the next 2 weeks. For the time being, residents across the United States should stock on 2 to 3 weeks worth of supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, wireless chargers, toiletries, a battery-powered radio, and anything necessary that will keep you and your family safe. A basement is required to survive, as the entire United States will be completely destroyed once this ends. The President of the United States is currently being taken to an undisclosed location, so the President cannot make a message to the American people at this time. Remain calm and await further information and instructions. This alert will cease transmission.